Well, it's hard to believe that another month has passed and we have more app builds ready. Time just flies by when you're having fun with Plus Plus. That's what I always say. If you're new here, I'm Kate and I do product development at Plus Plus. But if you're not new, you already know who I am. Welcome back to the channel. I really want to show you guys some new builds for May, and these are fresh, hot off the press? How do you say it?
Yeah, hot off the press.
And these builds, they're hot off the press. I've done most of these within the past 2 weeks, so you all could be the first ones to even build these. That's pretty exciting. So a lot of what I focused on for this month is some fantasy themed builds. For instance, our fairy, our wizard, the castle, little potion, and a gnome all kind of fall into that category. But then we also have some silly outliers, such as our mini fast food, which just went up a couple weeks ago and is already skyrocketing to the top.
Knocking things up.
I'm so sorry, little camera. And guys, let me tell you this right now, this fast food, this burger, fries, hot dog, much less calories than if you were to go to an actual establishment. So you can already thank me there. Yeah, don't eat the Plus Plus. However, building it is just as satisfying. That's something we can guarantee. I'm just kidding. Legal information at the bottom in like really small text. We can't guarantee any of this. But guys, I just wanted to honestly show off a little bit because I'm proud of these builds. But I also wanted to walk you through just a couple of these. One of them being our hot new item, hot off the grill.
Hot off the grill.
Oh, hot off the grill. Our hot dog, fries, and, oh wait, I just pointed at it wrong. Our hot dog, french fries, and hamburger, which are very easy to build. Very.
But they're so cute.
They're so cute. These actually originated from our big food activity set. So I thought it would be fun to just put them on the app and see what kids do if they make them out of regular pieces. And I've been seeing restaurant setups. I've been seeing people making a bunch of different types of burgers with different toppings. So if you guys have a little restaurant setup or any type of food that you want to share with us, tag us at Plus Plus USA. We always want to see your creations, and especially me because I'm the one putting these out there. I like to see the fruit of my labor. That sounds weird. But
See the snacks of your labor.
The snacks of my labor. But if you guys would like to see tutorials on any of the other builds here, let us know and I'd be happy to walk you through them. But yet again, you can find all of these builds on our free app. Search Plus Plus in the Google Play or App Store and our app will come up. It's the one with the blue icon. Download that, give it a whirl. I'll be showing today, we're gonna have our little fairy flutter away. Bye fairy, we're gonna have our little wizard waddle away. Bye wizard, go drink this potion. We should feed a potion to this in a video and have it become big.
Oh, that would be so much fun.
I'd be down for that.
That's a good idea.
All right, here's our focus. All right, I'll be doing the fast food first. It'll be easy. I'm actually just gonna take apart these and do them again because it's soup's easy. So as you can see, there's only really a handful of pieces in front of me here, but you can make all of our mini fast food builds with just these pieces here or the colors that you have at home. So let's get started. I think we should get started with the hamburger. That one's a lot of fun and it's so simple. All you need to do is put 2 Plus Plus pieces together, just like this. And you just continue to do this for all the toppings that you want on your burger. So I'm gonna add a little bit of beef. Beef. So I'm just gonna lay them all out first because it kind of looks satisfying and then I'll hold them up. So, and then I'm gonna add some cheese. I'm gonna add some lettuce. I'm gonna add some tomato. And then I'm going to add a bun. So let's see. We have our 2 bun pieces, and then we have our beef.
Our Beyond Meat burger.
Yes, Beyond Meat. This is vegetarian too. Cheese.
Vegan cheese.
Vegan cheese. Lettuce.
Vegan lettuce.
Vegan lettuce. And then we have tomato. So if you want to add even more toppings to your burger, go pick up your Plus Plus pieces and add whatever toppings you want, but let's get to stacking. So I think, what is the procedure for a burger? Bun, then meat, we think?
I think it's bun meat.
Cool.
Bun meat cheese.
Perfect. So I'll be starting with my bun. I'm gonna be adding the meat here, and then I'm gonna add the cheese here, Oh my gosh, let's get it a little bit more centered. And then I think I'll do tomato next. And then we will place our lettuce. Very precise. You get to be a little bit of a chef with your plus pieces, which is even more fun. And then our top bun right there. So there we go, there's our burger. I won't say this is the most transportable plus build, but it's still a lot of fun to make and create and play restaurant with. And also, I just really love seeing like how high people can stack their burger. Our fries are also really easy to create. We're gonna take 4 red plus pieces, just like that, just like a box. And then we're gonna go ahead and put our 2 yellow plus pieces together, just stack them one on top of the other like that. And to put our fries together, all we're gonna do is slide the fry in just like that. And look at that, look how simple. I love these builds because it also showcases that you can use really few plus pieces and still make something that looks representational. I love that. Same thing with our cows and our tree frog and other things that are made with so few plus pieces. Let us know what you guys can make with as little pieces as possible that still represent something. So first I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna build the hot dog itself. And for that, I'm just gonna use 5 red pieces. There we go.
It's like vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal.
Exactly. So now I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna create a bun for our hot dog. And that is very simple too. I'm just gonna be using 6 camel pieces for either side of our bun, just like this. And then we're gonna use 1 camel piece in the middle to connect to them. So it ends up being a bun for our hot dog. Gonna go ahead and slide it right in there. And now we have a hot dog.
Yeah, what's your favorite hot dog topping?
I think my favorite hot dog topping has come to be like onions and relish, as weird as that sounds.
Oh, wow.
What about you, Jasmine?
Mustard and ketchup.
Yes, I think my boyfriend like really is against ketchup on hot dogs. Like he thinks it should just be mustard, which is a really controversial take in my opinion.
Yeah.
Have you ever had a Chicago hot dog?
Yeah, with coleslaw and chili and all that stuff
Like the
on it.
peppercino, like they put a ton of stuff on it.
Yes.
Let us know how you guys like your hot dogs. Now, as you guys saw, just a handful of pieces was used to create these 3 fast food items. We have our fries, our hot dog, and our hamburger. So tag us in the food that you create. We would love to see your creations. And we will see you guys next month for more top builds or new builds from our app. And if you guys have anything you would love to see that we haven't covered that's on our app that you would love to see instructions for, please let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear what you guys are wanting to see us make. So thank you again for watching and have a great day.
Is that your date?
I don't know. I'll catch you on the flippity flop.